So this is going to be a video demonstration of my project. The idea over here is that in the direction I'm going to be looking, the robot should go in that direction as well. The direction my eyes are going to be looking at is going to be displayed on the screen over here, and over here we can see that the GoPro camera that's mounted on the robot, so we could see what direction the robot would go in. So over here I'm looking at the center, that's why the robot is moving forward. Now I'm looking at right, so the robot will also turn right. Similarly, upward would translate to the robot moving backwards. Now that you get the idea, I'm gonna let it play out for a bit so you can see how it correlates with the eye movement. One thing to note is that the robot is connected to the computer with a power cable. So unfortunately there are going to be times such as now that the robot is gonna have the cord stuck in its tires, so it's gonna turn unconditionally in one of the directions depending on which tire the cord is stuck in, and something like that can't unfortunately be helped, so it is what it is. So this is it for my video demonstration. Thank you.